So, try natin tong Choco Mocha Marble from Dunkin'. So, yun yung itsura niya. So, try na natin. Try natin yung may cream. Basically, it is a chocolate and mocha frosting plus meron siyang Bavarian cream, and surprisingly, hindi agad ako naumay sa donut na to kasi expectation ko dito sa itsura niya palang sobrang tamis na, pero yung level ng sweetness niya is 8 out of 10, so medyo kaya ko pa. Surprisingly, napangalahati ko siya, and also yung mocha frosting niya is better than the coffee frosting nila. Mas kaya ko tong kainin kasi mas less yung sweetness than the coffee frosting. So yun, if sweet tooth